Kota da Yoda. Ramen.
Over here shooting.
It's been a while. Are you gonna eat with your mask?
I'm gonna cut a small hole right here.
Itadakimasu.
You're freaking.
Kiss the good life.
Leah, you're doing good. We just put Oscar's D-Max front bumper and side skirt. How stoked. He wrapped his car. Let's see. BZ14. Street Boys. Alright, what is this?
I bought inch and a half spacers. The car would be perfect, but it's hub centric and it doesn't fit around this fat freaking stupid jiggle bob. So cut it. Cut the spacer. Cut the spacing. Oh, sick! I can do that for sure.
Why don't you just do extended studs with those PBM slip-ons? Oh, that's a lot of
I
slip-ons.
need so many slip-ons, bro.
Do you have spacers? I'll buy them off.
I need some of that markup.
Kiss the good life. Good. Kiss the good life.
This way.
Just like that. And flip it.
Over this.
We're in there like swimwear, boys.
That's not gonna
It should.
Paul Alert thing, so
All alert. Alright, close.
falling everything.
Why are you taking the left?
I got no time, bro, in my life. I got no time, bro, in my life. I got nothing but time. I gotta do it, man.
I'm gonna go eat out. Let's go.
While I'm ordering, yeah. I just need 5 more minutes.
Sure, if we order, it's gonna take a while.
I just need to add a few more clips and I can drop it. Render.
Kota's all about that YouTube life.
While I eat ramen, I'll be editing.
Kota's more dedicated than me and Josh are.
Boy, I got no time. One man team.
Kota's filming and editing, so it's much harder than mine and Josh's workflow.
Working and filming and editing.
What's up, fool? You came to cut hair or what? Kota's gonna get a haircut.
Nasty dog hair. You gotta clean me up.
I think we should shave the top first, just the top, and leave the sides. I think that'll look kind of sick.
Cul-de-sac?
The cul-de-sac. Alright.
With braids.
With braids coming down, you'll be good, bro. Some barber shop back here? Okay. See, you're not going with the cul-de-sac, huh?
You guys didn't let me.
Okay. Okay. Hey. House calls. Oh dang! Oh dang! Let me get a slow mo. Let me get a slow mo. slow-mo B-roll right here.
Alright, that.
You do it and then he'll slow-mo it.
I can't slow-mo. Oh, I can slow-mo. Let me put it on slow.
Need some AN parts for the SR240. I'm gonna drift from 4th.
See, are you gonna buy it or I'm gonna buy it?
Good question. Flexing with the 30, 35. Yeah, 35. We over here.
In a friggin' Corvette.
Corvette. What are we doing? We're putting seats, ride seat and Recaro seats in the Corvette. Good thing they're reclinable. We can kind of fit. We just gonna drive it home like that. Come on. Dingy wing.
Maybe you can put it sideways.
Sick.
Oh, we're on.
Look, square. We took the wrong vehicle. It works.
Yeah, it works, man. And we can fit a wing in there too.
Let's go.
Mid-disc.
I'm gonna put this on my 180. Full VSK.
Polished VSK.
They see me rolling. They hate me.
Straight monkey boy right now.
Just finished valve cover gasket, new spark plugs, new seal on the injector, new fuel filter, redo all the groundings, and we cleaned up all the wiring.
Yeah, this thing's ready. It's really not though. We have like all tomorrow.
Yeah. Fan relay, thermostat,
Oil, trans fluid.
catch can,
Got this catch can. Throw this on there.
turbo elbow downpipe gasket.
Got all the gaskets. Exhaust gaskets.
Suspension.
And 4.6.
6 gear.
Cool. We'll see you tomorrow.